Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can blending the overlay in CapCut PC. So this is basic tutorial and I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for editing the video for this time. So for example, I'm going to select the background, just drag to the right, and I'm going to add overlay put on top, and I'm going to remove the background and select chroma key, select crop picture and select background that I want to remove. So there you get the perfect. You can resize, and to blend the overlay you can go to basic and you can find the blend option, just turn on, and then you can select the model overlay. For example, click select overlay, you can see the final result like so. You can try another mod, screen brighten, like already. I think I'm going to select overlay. Alright, that's how you can blend the overlay. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please like in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.